pluckers, I have a sore fingers back with you again for hopefully what will be another interesting little lesson for you. This is a lovely little acoustic bit, ditty, from a song called 7 Days from Craig David, which was a big hit for him in the year 2000. Okay, it's got this, what I played there, that's the main guitar riff that goes all the way through the song, but it's a lovely little piece to actually practice, to warm up with and get your fingers going, and also it's got some very nice little hammers on and pull-offs, which is quite good practice for that sort of thing as well. Okay, and once you get into it, it's quite addictive. Okay, so I thought I'd just share it with you. I don't play it perfectly, but I think it's good enough to show you what's going on. Okay, so I'm doing it with my fingers. I'm not going to show you which fingers to use. I'm no finger picker, so it's using whatever fingers you think suits you. Okay, I think it's difficult to play with a pick. It's too precise. It's too quick with a pick. It would be a bit messy, I think. Okay. Right then, boys and girls, let me hopefully try and show you what I was doing. Okay, so starting off, I'm just playing this chord to start with, E minor 9. Okay, and all that is, it's the 2nd fret of the A string, the 5th string. I'm using my 2nd finger, and my 3rd finger is playing the top E string, 2nd fret. Okay, all the other strings are open, and you just sort of slowly rake down or slow strum with your thumb, like that, sort of moody sort of chord. Okay, and then what happens, you give that a little pause after you've done that, and we do this little bit. 2nd string, the B string, slide from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret. I'm using my 3rd finger to do it, whichever suits you best. Okay, whichever finger suits you, use it. And then my 1st finger is playing the 2nd fret of the top E string. So you got. So now we got. Okay. As soon as you've done that, hit that top E string 2nd fret. Play the bottom E string open with your thumb. Okay, so now we've got. Now what we do is we keep that 2nd fret fretted with the 1st finger, in my case. Okay, and what we do now is play that E minor 9 again, or partial E minor 9. So I'm playing the top E string on the top 2nd fret. I'm playing the 2nd string open and the 3rd string open, so I'm using 3 fingers, 1st, 2nd and 3rd fingers, along with the bottom E string with the thumb open. Okay, so now we've got this. Slowly. So far so good. Now we start getting into the real nitty gritty of this. Okay, what am I doing there? So the first bit is a 2nd fret top E string. I'm using my 1st finger. Hammers up to the 3rd fret with the 2nd finger, and then pulls that off back to the 2nd. Okay, got that? It's fairly straightforward. Then, as soon as you've done that, this 1st finger pulls off the 2nd fret to open. So you go. It's all in one sort of motion. Okay, got that? So I'm saying this is a good song to practice your hammers and pull-offs. Okay? Right. Then what you do is you fret that 2nd fret again, so you got, and then play this top E string open. And use whichever finger you want. At first, sometimes I use my first finger for that. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, so far. Then we go to the 3rd fret, 2nd string, then the 1st fret, 2nd string, then the open 2nd string. So it's okay. Sorry, start again. Okay. Then we play an A minor 7th chord. What I'm doing there is I'm playing the 5th string open, so it's an A minor, 2nd on the 4th, 1st finger's playing the 1st on the 2nd, okay? And I'm playing the 5th string open with my thumb, and then my 3 fingers again are playing the choice is yours. You could play the 4, 3 and 2, or you could play 3, 2, 1. It's up to you. You can have that, or not a lot in it, okay? So now you've got this. Okay. Then what you do is you hit that 1st fret 2nd string and pull it to open 2nd string, and then put it back on the 1st fret 2nd string. Okay, so you've got, okay, so far. Sorry, that's the wrong one. Start again, sorry. Okay, then we go to a B minor 7, okay, which is a bar, 2nd fret, first 5 strings. I'm not playing the bottom E string, okay, just the first 5 strings. 2nd finger's playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and my 3rd finger's playing the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string. And that's the same as you're doing with the A minor 7. You do it again with the B minor 7. So you play the 5th string with your thumb, and then the 4, 3 and 2 with the other 3 fingers, 1st, 2nd and 3rd fingers. Or you could play the 1st, 2nd and 3rd if you want. It depends on what sound you like best. So far. Okay, and then what you do is you start again. You slide that as you did right at the beginning, where you slid on 2nd string 2 to 3, 2nd fret top E, bottom E string open, 2 chords again, and then you start all over again. And there you have it, boys and girls. You just practice it slowly and gradually build up your speed until you're playing it something like a record. I've now been joined by my furry friend, as you can hear, so time to go. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.